My name is Mark Vincent, a web developer intern here at Inventive Media. One of the best things about being part of Inventive Media is the access to free courses with highly relevant programming languages and frameworks like Laravel, Python, PHP, and more. These courses have been incredibly valuable for expanding my skills and preparing me for a future in tech. Being here has shown me just how much growth is possible when you're surrounded by the right resources and a supportive environment. I highly recommend Inventive Media to any aspiring tech professional who want to sharpen their skills in a place that truly encourages growth. It's a fantastic place to gain real-world experience and work with people who are genuinely invested in your success.